Congratulations. Because it's supposed to be 2 inches much longer, huh?
Supposedly.
Alright. Right here.
I wonder which one's longer.
Let me see.
To be honest, look the same size. Yep.
Yeah.
And then, you think they'll find a way to do it or something? Oh, now you.
Yeah.
So what the heck is holding on up there?
Nothing. Barely the new screw.
That guy tried to kill me, huh?
You'd be scraping this thing, man.
Well, the thing is, it's probably, he left it like that so it won't be that hard to take it off.
But where's the other screw? The other nut?
I don't think he put one on. He probably forgot.
Oh, yeah. I need like a...
14?
No, smaller.
12?
You have a 12?
Yep.
Really? Just throw it.
Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had a day.
Now you need a new one?
Huh?
You need a new one?
Oh yeah. Running straight like the mid pipe. Right? Yeah, straight pipe, like just the header, the catalytic converter, and the mid pipe. And that's all it was running. It was really loud. You can hear it from the freeway. Legit. And my butt was rattling too. And then we added the other pipe, like the second part of the pipe.
Gonna have to go to Dyno Performance.
Yeah, tomorrow. We're gonna go to Dyno Performance tomorrow. They have all 2 parts that you're going to hear now. Oh, it sounds awesome. Day 2 install. It's exhaust. It's already installed. The only thing right now is just probably the header's like it's a little loose. The car is right here in front of y'all. This is too dark outside. Yeah. We painted the back wheel. You will see it tomorrow. Yeah. The whole car's right here. We cannot see the wheels because we painted it. I forgot to film that, like always. Oh, don't worry. Turn it on.